everybody, Sit Rep. Bruce rejoined us, and we are now on the road again. We are just south of Lake City on I-75 headed north. Looks like we'll hit Chattanooga about 10:30, 11 o'clock tonight. So things are definitely looking up. We're back on the road. Where are we?
I have no idea.
He has no idea.
Where do you think we are?
He has no idea. I don't know. Mikey, where are we? Tifton, Georgia, yeah. Yeah, we've had quite a trip. Bruce finally joined us. Bruce has driven twice the mileage that we've driven because he had car trouble.
Yeah, I started out with a red one. Look what I got now.
He's got the white one. He's got the Cobra. Look at that thing, man.
The bad boy.
Mike and I are driving old school. Look at that. Yep, he's got all the technology. Mike and I got all the fun stuff.
Yep.
Anyway, more later. Power Tour 2018. Like we finally made it to Bowling Green. We're in the line right now, getting ready to go in. And wow, what a trip. Anyway, more later.